Hi, everybody. Sorry I'm late. As I said, Wednesdays for some reason are super busy, busier than Mondays. But today I want to talk to you about practical advice. Yesterday I didn't go, I participated in an online webinar slash event for attorneys. And I had been waiting for this event all summer long because I was really hoping to get practical advice that I could implement right away. I was very disappointed because I did not get any practical advice ever. I think it's great to hear about people's trajectories and hear about how people got to where they are in their careers. But I think it's even more valuable to share what you've learned from those journeys. And what you've learned from those journeys are those practical tips that other people can implement to get to where you are. So this is what I'm going to do for you guys today. I'm going to give you 3 practical tips to jumpstart your career and to do something to be active within your career. So tip number 1, I want you to make a video about what you do. And I want you to be very creative about it because you guys are artists and creative professionals. So for example, if you are a singer, I want you to do like a 30-second video singing. If you are an illustrator, I want you to do a really cool, like rapid, fast motion video that you're going to publish on TikTok. Publish any sort of video because this is how people are consuming information. And you don't want to be the artist or the creative professional that is not abreast of the time. So people are consuming art, news, everything through video, and you should be disseminating your craft through video. So do one video. Tip number 2, I want you to publish an article on medium.com. So if you're an actor or if you're a dancer or if you're a painter, write something about your artwork. Again, this is to share your ideas. This is to develop a community, and this is to be active in your career. So tip number 1, do a video. Tip number 2, write an article on medium.com. I'm serious. Right after this video, go and create an account on medium.com and write an article. It can be a short article. It can be a long article. Just get out there and write. Do something. After you've published it, and it will be published immediately, put that achievement on your CV. So you can start to develop your electronic press kit, which we're going to talk about tomorrow. Tip number 3, I want you to connect with a management organization, a PR company, and you might say, well, Elektra, you just told us that you're going to give us practical advice. And you're right. I'm not going to have you do the research because I've already done the research for you. So I'm actually going to tag them at the end of this video. You can actually contact B Squared Management and ask to speak with Bertie Bao. She is amazing. She is an amazing supporter of artists and creative professionals. She's somebody who is dedicated to my mission, which is supporting international and national artists. She loves art. She is an artist herself. Contact her so that you can get some sort of press feature. So I gave you 3 practical tips that you can implement right away for your career. Tip number 1, make a video. Make a video about what it is you do. Don't talk about what you do. Make a video about what you do. If you're a singer, sing. If you're an artist, draw something. Put it on TikTok. Make it creative so that people are interested in what you do. Tip number 2, write an article on medium.com. Write about anything. Write about your struggles as an artist. Write about creating art during COVID times. Make your story heard. Start to develop that voice. Start to develop and position yourself as an expert. Tip number 3, contact B Squared Management. They are on they're on Facebook. They're on Instagram, and we are friends on Facebook. So if you want to go and look through my friends, you can find them as well. But I will tag this management company after the video. Speak with Bertie Bao. She's a supporter of the arts. She is an artist herself, and you will be in very, very good hands. So again, I just gave you 3 practical tips that you can do right away. You don't need to wait. You don't need to do research. You literally just need to pick up your iPhone, do your video. You need to go on LinkedIn, create your account, publish your article, and you need to just contact Bertie Bao of B Squared Management, and I am going to tag her after this video. So those were 3 tips to number 1, disseminate your work, and that's through the video. Tip number 2, position yourself as an expert, and that's through the article. Tip number 3, get press, and that's through your contacting B Squared Management. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that it's not the experience that I had last night about waiting for practical advice and did not get it, but I just gave you 3 practical tips that you can implement right away. I will see you tomorrow, and we will continue to talk about contracts. And if there are any questions or anything that you want me to discuss, just send me an email, and I hope to answer your questions. Have a great day, have a great evening, and implement my 3 very easy tips.